Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Pipeline event. I'm here with my friend Sean Kelly, and we are talking about a brand new coil nailer, roofing nailer. This is brand new for them.
Brand new.
You haven't done this yet.
Nope. First day, we're pulling the veil back.
Yeah. So tell us about it. Run us through the. Give me the lowdown.
Yeah, I'll give you the speeds and feeds. So this is something we've been working on for a while. We're excited. We know we've gotten a lot of asks for it.
Yeah.
I want to give you the rundown of what we're delivering here. So from a performance standpoint, first and foremost, this fires it up to 6 nails a second. It is the fastest firing cordless nailer that we've ever manufactured. Okay. One of the, if not the fastest on the market of any kind today.
It kind of has to be, because roofers are banging that thing off the roof, right?
It has to be. There's a baseline level of speed you need for this to be valuable for a roofer in any way, shape, or form. Runtime's important too in terms of work done. So you'll get 1,100 nails per charge on a high output 3.0 battery.
Yep.
That's what's kitted with it. That equates to 200 to 300 square feet or 2 to 3 squares of roofing. But of course, you can put any M18 pack on it from a runtime perspective. We just think this is a really, really good fit for your small to medium sized jobs, weight, ergonomics. Weight, 7.3 pounds bare tool, 8.6 with a 3.0 on it.
Wow.
Surprisingly lightweit for what it is.
Heavier than my pneumatic, but definitely lightweight for a nail gun. Lighter than my framer.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay.
Couple of features on here that I want to call out as well.
Yeah, what's this?
So that's the vinyl siding adapter tip.
Oh.
So completely tool free.
Okay.
So you pull this off.
Yep.
So it's held right in the magazine. Then you'll fit it into the nose.
Take it off for you.
Yeah, good call.
Okay. Is that magnetic, or it felt like it just went? Poop?
It's magnetic. Yep. So you've got the pins that go through here, and then it's magnetic to the top of the tool.
Cool.
So that's going to allow you, and we've got the demo over there that we can do.
Okay.
Fits you right into your flanges,
your slots.
And then it's also going to stand you off the material, so you don't pin that vinyl. You need to have some space, obviously, for expansion and contraction.
I love how it just goes. Whoop.
Pops right on, and then right back on the magazine.
And then is it magnetic back into the magazine too?
It is. It is. So there is a more mechanical locking in there.
Yeah, good idea.
Magnetic in there. When one of these inevitably goes missing, we are selling it as an accessory, so you can get another one.
Depth of drive, I see. How does it open and close? Is it similar to my pneumatic?
It's similar to Bostage, if that's what you have.
Yeah, I have Bostage.
So it's a single door.
Perfect.
That was pretty clear.
Adjustable.
Adjustable there, all the way up to 1 3/4 inches.
Okay, good.
Your full range of roofing nails. Really unique hook on this one.
Yes. What is this?
What we looked at here, especially since we've talked through the vinyl side of things, we said, okay, it's going to lay on roofs a lot, right? When it's not laying on roofs, where's it going to be? It's going to be on your person.
Belt.
That's your belt hook.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be on generally scaffolding or 2x material. So this is a unique hook specifically for this tool, knowing how it's going to get used. It is reversible on both sides.
Perfect.
So it fits nice and tight to a 2x that knurling kind of helps grab.
Knurling helps grab it.
Works really well with scaffolding as well, knowing if you're doing vinyl, you're likely, if you're not on that first lower level, you're up in that environment.
And you're using the same user interface as all your nail guns. You got
all the same.
Bump on-off. You got probably some warning light there or something for something overheating. Or
Yep, you've got a thermal light that'll tell you if the tool's over-temping or if it's way too cold, which probably won't run into a lot with your roofing nailer. Right. And then letting you know when to swap your pack.
And you're pairing it with a high output battery. Makes sense.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
lightweight.
Yep. One last feature before we fire some nails I wanted to hit on if you didn't see it. Replaceable bumpers. So we've never had replaceable bumpers on tools before. But knowing that asphalt shingles
is so abrasive.
Tremendously abrasive. These are going to wear down over time. And when you remove the hose, whether we like to admit it or not, that is a bit of a, hey, let's grab it if it's falling off the roof.
And it's on here too.
It's on there too.
So you got a 3-point touch.
So those will be sold as a kit, as a standalone kit. So when you want to replace those, you can replace all 6 of those bumpers.
1, 2, 3. Very cool.
Yeah.
Very nice. How much availability, stuff like that?
It's going to start shipping in Q4 this year. It's going to be $379 as a bare tool, $479 kitted with the high output 3 amp hour battery.
Wow. And I'm curious, can I use this on a hardy board, a cement-based siding?
No. So that'd be a different fastener. So that's your dedicated siding nails, siding nailer. Maybe something we'll be looking at in the future. But of course, this is for vinyl and then roofing,
asphalt roofing only.
Yep. And then really any other application that you use a roofing nail for,
right?
Yep.
Awesome. Hey, Sean, thanks again for your time. I really appreciate it.
Pleasure. No problem.
Thanks, everybody.